How to contact Etsy support/customer service. Hello Etsy users. Need assistance or have questions? Let's explore how to contact Etsy support or customer service. Open your web browser and go to help.etsy.com. Browse through the help topics to see if your question can be answered in the Etsy Help Center. If you can't find an answer you're looking for, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Contact Support. Etsy offers multiple contact methods such as email, live chat sometimes, and phone support. Choose the method that suits you best. Fill out the contact form with details about your issue or question, and be as specific as possible to receive the best assistance. After providing all necessary information, submit your request to Etsy support. Keep an eye on your email inbox or Etsy messages for a response from Etsy support. Response time may vary. If you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame, don't hesitate to follow up with Etsy support. There you have it. You've successfully contacted Etsy support or customer service for assistance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Etsy tips and tutorials, and happy selling.